The Canadian economy continues to chug along. Real gross domestic product was up by 0.8% in October, and that was in line with expectations. Now, StatsCan did report gains across most sectors, including a rebound in manufacturing of 1.8%, which more than offset a September contraction. We are also likely to see a rise in GDP of 0.3% for November, which would be a sixth straight monthly gain. Annualized growth in the fourth quarter is on track to hit 6%. The Bank of Canada was expecting growth of 4%. Now, from there is a question mark because it's still not clear how much damage Omicron will do. Many provinces have brought in new restrictions in just the last few days. Another day of gains on markets, so maybe the start here of a Santa Claus rally. U.S. markets are closed tomorrow, while Bay Street will operate for a half day ahead of a long weekend in Canada. Now, after that half day tomorrow, the TSX will not reopen until Wednesday. Bay Street is looking at a gain this year of almost 22.5% with 3.5 days to go. The S&P very likely to be the big winner this year. It's higher by almost 26%. Now, on markets today, Tesla re-entered the $1 trillion club after slipping below that market cap in the last few weeks. It joins Apple and Microsoft, although Apple and Microsoft are above $2 trillion. And a big bounce for shares in EV maker Nikola today on Wall Street after that company completed its first delivery. And some drama could be brewing at CN Rail. So an activist shareholder at the railway is now blaming the company's board of directors for failing to secure its preferred candidate for CEO. Earlier this week, CN announced that Jim Vena is no longer interested in the position, which will open up when the current CEO, Jean-Jacques Rouet, retires next month. TCI Fund Management has been a vocal critic of the board throughout CN's attempt to take over a U.S. railway. CN, of course, lost out to CP for Kansas City Southern, and that management company wanted Vena to take on the role as part of a wider overhaul of management. Now, TCI is asking the appointment of a new CEO be pushed until after a special shareholder meeting set for March, but CN says it expects to announce a new chief executive next month. In the CityNews Business Center, I'm Kris McCusker.